Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of publishing your story on Wattpad. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the website of Wattpad and then sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you are signed in, click on the right option that can be seen at the top navigation bar and then go to create a new story. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this page. Now, you'll have to provide the details about your story. First of all, enter the title of your story and give some description about it. After that, enter the name of the main characters and then select a category. Now, you can also add tags in order to reach more number of people. You can add up to 25 tags, so make full use of it and then reach higher number of audience. Once you have done that, select your target audience. Now, you'll have to select the language, and once you have done that, select the option from copyright. Finally, you'll have to rate your story as mature or appropriate for everyone. If you turn this button off, it will show that your story is appropriate for all audiences. However, the Wattpad community has the ability to rate your story mature, but you'll have to turn it on if your story contains graphic depictions of violence, sexuality, strong language, and/or other mature themes. So, once you have rated it, click on Next. After that, add a title. You can keep it as it is and then add a little text. After that, you can publish your story. If you wish to preview it before publishing, then click right here. But if you want to publish it, then you have to click on the option Publish. You can also add a cover by clicking on the option Edit Your Cover, and once you have done that, click on Publish. Before publishing, you'll have to check on this box that says, I acknowledge this is my own original work, or I have the permission from the original author to post this work. Copyright infringement may result in story deletion or account closure. So once you have agreed to it, click on Publish. And finally, your story will be published. And now you can share it and get discovered. You can share it in various apps such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. So in this way, you can publish your story on Wattpad. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.